Hey there, fellow YouTube viewers. It's Joel again. I'm showing you how to make sticky rice and stir fry. Joel's recipe tonight. Alright. So I got the rice in there, and there's a bunch in there, actually. Now I'm going to add the butter in the baking grease to the rice. That's right, while the water is still in it, guys. But this is the baking grease, guys, in a cool little foil covered container. Perfect for the kitchen. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of bacon grease in my rice, particularly for the flavor. Same thing with the butter. Alright, now we get started on the stir fry. I'll turn this down a bit. Alright, this is Asian style vegetables with broccoli, carrots, sugar snaps, peas, and water chestnuts. I'm going to be adding some extra, and I like to add extra vegetables to my stir fry most of the time. I'm going to add some extra mixed vegetables with carrots, green beans, peas, and corn. Alright, let's get this stuff cooking. Sorry guys, I made a spill. Oh no. Chef Joel. Thank God there's enough paper towels in here. Oh, look at that beautiful rice we got caking up here. Look at it. Just because I added freaking bacon grease and butter to that stuff. Just caking that rice clean up. Got to add a hint of butter to the stir fry too to give it some extra flavor. And let's add some pepper to this stuff. I always like some pepper. A little bit of salt. Alright, now we add some vegetable seasoning to these vegetables. And we mix it up. And since the vegetables are now actually not frozen anymore in cooking, I'm going to be adding the taco Korean barbecue sauce. Now this is made for tacos, but it's also really good in stir fry. I'm also throwing in some teriyaki sauce into the stir fry. I'm going to add some soy sauce in there too. And I even have some Asian stir-fry seasoning mix. Kikkoman, of course. Let's get these vegetables saturated in this stuff. That's how I like them, soft and saturated in the sauce and the pepper, all the seasoning I added in there. Make enough to feed a family here. You notice I cook my vegetables for a very long time when I do stir fry. I even like to fry them a little bit. Oh, the rice is just about done. you'll see that the vegetables are starting to turn color and caramelize with the sauce. Alright, for the finishing touch, I'm going to add some of this Kicking Man stir fry seasoning mix in there. I like to spread it out evenly over all the vegetables. So it all gets a little bit, it even gets in the sauce. Just the way me and Mike like it. Anyways. Oh, this is going to be some yummy stir fry when it's done. Ah, yeah, this sauce, you can tell, you can see the color change dramatically by how much sauce I used in this. I like a lot of sauce because it gives it a lot of different flavors, especially with the spices like I said I added in. Even smells really good right now, guys. If you were here, you'd probably be enjoying some of this right now. Alright, the stir fry is even almost done now, guys. It's only been 13 minutes. Mainly because I have this guy on high heat. Alright guys, and that is one finished stir fry here we got. It's even sizzling and burning into the pan as we speak. Okay, still gonna be great though. Alright guys, that was Joel's first episode on Chef Joel. Please stay tuned for more videos and exciting push-ups on the channel. There'll be more cooking videos like this too, don't worry guys. Coming up with some specialties for you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.